Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to be removing the front bumper on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to open the hood, just pulling that lever right there. There's a hood release over here. Slide it to the left and grab the prop rod. Put that in position there. Take a 10mm socket. We're going to take these two bolts out on top, right here. Take this bolt out, and then same on this side. Use the same 10mm socket and ratchet. I'm going to raise and support the vehicle. I'm using a 2-post lift. If you're doing this at your house, you can use a jack and jack stands. I want to take some of these push clips off. There's one missing right here. They're there. There. I'm just going to use this trim tool. We sell this at 1aauto.com. Just grab the center part of the clip, pry it out like that, and then get behind the clip, pull it out. Do that to the other ones. I'm just pulling the clips out of right here. From underneath here, I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Take these bolts out. Take that bolt out. Take these two out. I'm going to remove this bolt as well. To make it easier, I'm going to remove this whole piece. It's not completely necessary, but it will be a lot easier. So I'll remove this bolt as well. Then there's a push clip on the back side over here. It would be easier if you had the tire off to see this stuff, but it's not impossible to do with the tire on. Just grab the trim tool, pull this clip out. Now from underneath on the front, there's some bolts right here. There's one here and one here. And we are going to do the same on the other side. So we use the same 10mm socket, and I'll use an extension and a ratchet. Once that's out, I can grab this panel, slide it down, so that I can pull this inner fender well down a little more. I'm just going to take this Phillips head screw out right here. Pull that out. Just pull this push clip out as well. The little push tab in here, it's there. If the bumper's never been removed, it's probably still there. If it has been removed, it may not be there because it's not something you would put back in. So I'm just taking a straight blade screwdriver. Just want to push it up. Let's see, right there. Pull that out. When that's out, then you can grab the bumper and just pull it out. Just like that, and just release it, just like that. And then we'll do the same procedure for the other side. All right, these fog lights are still connected. We want to disconnect these. Just push down on the tab, slide it out. Do the same for the other side, just like that. Underneath here, there's a push pin. Just use the trim tool. That out. Be careful, that was the only thing left holding the bumper on. And this side should have one, but it doesn't. So now I'm going to grab the bumper, make sure both sides are released. And just slide it off. Take the bumper, just going to slide it in position. You could use a partner to help you. Get this side lined up. it in. And that little tab we pulled out, we're not gonna be able to get it back in. So, but it's okay, it's gonna stay secure. Then we'll do the same for the other side. This is one of those pins. But after you take this off, you can't really get that back in. And that's secure. We're gonna install push pins in here. Let's get these lined up. One there, and then also one over here. All right, we're gonna take this panel, slide this in position. It's gonna go, the back part's gonna go over the axle. And this part is gonna slide up here. Take the bolt, I'm gonna stick it in my socket with an extension. And same with the other ones. Get this push pin pushed in from the back. Get these two bolts started. Once I have all those bolts started, I can go back with a ratchet and a 10mm socket and extension and snug these all up. Take the fog light, we want to connect the fog light connector. Just line it up and lock it in place. And do the same for the other side. Then we're going to put these push pins in on this side. Here, there was one missing here, so I'll put a new one in right there. Put a push pin right here. Phillips head screw right here. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. And snug it up. There's another push pin right under here. And now I'm going to do the same procedure for the other side. I'll take these two bolts up top. One goes here, one goes on the other side here. Get those started. Take a 10mm socket and a ratchet and snug them up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.